Hi, my name is Lori, and this is my review of the HomeMax raised tile. It comes in a 5/8 inch thickness, and the squares are 1 foot by 1 foot. Super easy to assemble. They have great edging that you can put along it. You can customize it to fit any area. In my case, I purchased a home that had washer dryer in the garage on old stained concrete floor, and there was a big ick factor anytime I would take the laundry out of the washer and put it in the dryer, drop it on the floor. Now, with the new flooring in here, it was a great solution. Not only can I keep the laundry clean, I can even walk barefoot out here, and I love it. It's a good product.